heart. Wow, thank you, Guillermo Mendoza Foundation, for recognizing us and for this recognition. It truly means a lot. I'd actually want to thank a few people. First, of course, I'd like to thank you guys. Sa lahat ng sumusuporta, sa lahat ng pagmamahal nyo. Grabe, maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, to my ABS-CBN family, the bosses, thank you so much. My team, my family, Mom, I know you're here. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom. And of course, Nato, thank you. Lastly, Father God Almighty, thank you. I hope I continue to inspire other people with the talents you've given me. Thank you.
Ayan, sinabi mo na ata lahat. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Paano ba ito? Okay na ito. Mas cute na medyo. I love you too. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po, Guillermo Foundation, for this award. It's so nice to be sharing this with you. And